How to remove synced contacts from Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to remove or delete the synced contacts on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the bottom, just right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find privacy and security, just right here. Select it. Then scroll down and here you can find data settings right here. Select it. Then here you can find delete synced contacts, just right here. Now tap on it. And by doing this will remove your contacts from the Telegram servers. If sync contacts is enabled, contacts will be resynced. So simply tap on to delete. And after doing this, you will simply remove the synced contacts. And that's it. This is how you can remove sync contacts from Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.